Canva video editing tutorial. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can edit your videos using Canva. That will include trimming, cutting, cropping videos and also resizing them. So we're going to head over canva.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see we're going to be on our dashboard. Now what I'm going to do next is going to be very simple. I head over the left side of the screen and I choose one of the projects that I have. If I have already a video project, I can go ahead and find it from here. If I do not, I can go ahead and simply head over home, and then we're going to choose from there videos, and we're going to find all the essential things or process to move forward with. As you can see, we can set up the video type. Either it is going to be a landscape like a YouTube video, a mobile video, a Facebook video, screen recording. We have a lot of, as you can see, formats. These are going to be the video formats. Now, from the quick actions that Canva have, I'm not going to talk about the pro ones. I'm going to only talk with the free ones. We have the magic media videos, so you can go ahead and add some specific video effects and also some elements. We have the captions. We have also the AI voice that could be generated through a text, and you're going to add it to your video. So here we can see that we have multiple formats. We can choose one of the, as you can see here, templates. So if I am going to be lucky, I can find a free template that we are going to apply things on. As you can see, this is going to be free video setup. So here we can go ahead and play the video. You can see that it is going to play. It is going to be like a sequence going on here and there. I'm not going to lie, it is going to be looking very cool with the transitions and everything. Now, how we can trim a video. As you can see, they have also let's say, I'm not going to say converted, but basically they have developed the video editor to have a larger timeline to set up things. Now this is our cursor. We can go ahead and head over or scroll over the timeline, choose a place where we're going to work, select the piece. For example, this is going to be the background, this is going to be the image, text, whatever. So we're going to have them just like that. If I'm going to choose maybe the video as the background, we can go ahead and split the clip. I can split the clip of this. I can go ahead also and split the clip of this image at this period of time. And we can go ahead and select, for example, this piece to be deleted by clicking on delete. I'm going to select this piece. And here, so basically to delete it, you can go ahead and click on eraser just like that, or not eraser, but I rather click on the button delete on my keyboard, so it is going to delete the thing in here. Basically, depending on the complexity of the object that you are going to have here, it is going to be showing set up everything like that. You can add elements such as I don't know, images, music, audio, videos, by browsing here or uploading your own content, and then you're going to only drag and drop it within the timeline chosen. And after you have set up everything that you have did right there, adding text, whatever, you can go ahead and click on share button, click on download, and you're going to download it as a MP4. This is how you can edit your videos within Canva. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.